Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can drop a pin on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, pins are basically just what denotes which location you're currently looking at, or one specific set of coordinates, one specific point on the map, and it depends on what you are pinning. So, for example, if you're pinning any random street, for example, let's say this section of Park Avenue in Manhattan, New York, if you're on mobile phone, you need to tap and hold. If you're on PC, you just need to click like this. It's going to place this small little gray icon, gray pin, because it's just a random pin on a location on Lenox Hill in New York. And as you can see, when I click over to any other place and drag it, or even just click on another place, it's just going to disappear. However, if you click on a location that already exists, for example, this location over here, you can very easily just make it stay. You can drag it around and it doesn't really matter. It's going to stay. That is until you click anywhere else, or if you click on the X in the top left. But yeah, you can just drop a pin by, if you're on mobile phone, you don't need to tap and hold businesses. You can just tap them once and it's going to give you a pin right over here. However, if you have pins for navigation, so in this case, let me just click directions from here and select any random space. Just like this, you can click and drag your pin to wherever you want to go to change your location, just like this. And as you can see, that is pretty much it. That is how you drop a pin there. And for example, if you want to drop a pin for a business, which is either yours or any else, but it doesn't really exist, you can right click add either a missing place or add your business. And that's going to allow you to go to the Google Center, Business Center, and add a new business. And you can drop a tag there so that you have that location tagged, well, where it wasn't before. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.